Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make dog tag treat. So yeah, let's get started. First, I'm going to my Minecraft and go to resume. I just play. And if you want to make a dog tag treat, all you need is bone, lead, lapis lazuli, wool. That you all need. First, spoil your wolf and tame here, and you see it. She have I don't know what calls that dog tag, and just leash him and they I don't know what is pronunciation. Just put this, and yeah, this is how you see it. It's color, bro. And I will make again if you not understand. Okay, all you need is bone, lead, lapis lazuli, wolf. So first, spell your wolf and tame him and color him dog type and leash him and put him on this side. Sorry for this dog. It's ugly. And yeah, this is how to make it. It's easy. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Guys, love you. Bye-bye.